Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, the first day of July 2014. Started the month out pretty decent, a little bit more active than we thought it might be, considering July 4th is a Friday. It's a big vacation week here in the States. We did have not a whole lot of economic news. We did have some, obviously, news late last night, but we weren't trading at that point. Australia, they left their interest rates alone. I believe we have some news tonight and tomorrow, and we have non-farm payrolls this Thursday, so could get some action, although Thursday will probably be dead right after the non-farm payrolls, which is a pretty difficult number to trade. Anyway, so let's go over them here in no particular order. We did have 5 trades, pulled out 20.4 pips. First trade you're looking at here was a long in Euro Canadian. You know, we got a signal basically looking like it's going to break out. It completely failed and reversed on us. We didn't get hit too bad. We just lost 6.6 pips on it. We ultimately made the right move because it ended up coming in. It could have very easily consolidated and ran again, overnight while we were sleeping or something, but it just didn't have any, no volume came in to kickstart it. Next currency pair you're looking at is a euro to Australian dollar. We traded this twice, once from the short side and once from the long side. The short you'll see there, 1.45289. It's just a quick scalp, picked up 7.6 pips. Probably could have held it a little bit longer, figuring it's going to come to these tops, which it did, and it actually broke that a little bit and came back down. But, not going to complain. When you're looking for a quick scalp, you look for 4, 5, 8, 10 pips, 12 pips, something like that. So, you're not going to grab, 50 pips on a real quick scalp. Then we get another signal, maybe an hour or so later, to go long 1.45138. Again, popped right in our favor, picked up 6.7. I thought we got out way too early. It looked like it was going to reach these tops, which ultimately it got real close to that. So I think we left some on the table there. This thing could have it ran to 145.39, almost 149, almost 145.40. So I think we just got out too early. But again, we're looking for just a quick scalp. So your mindset is such, So we'll take it, picked up the 6.7. It ultimately went to where we thought it was going to go. You would have had to held it for quite a few hours because this is a half-hour chart. So I don't know if it was really would be worth the risk. You ultimately see what it did, so if you were holding this thing, you're gonna get hammered there. Euro to yen, similar type trades. Picked up, we had 2 trades on it. First one we had was a short, and the second one was a long. You see the short, got a signal short 139. Wasn't crazy about it because we were short in the figure. Our feelings on figures, even numbers like that could act as support, resistance, depending on which way the trade's going. So once it just broke in, we just covered real quick, picked up 4.8 pips. And you see there it came in a little bit harder than that. Came in about 12 or 13 pips, maybe 11 pips on the offer. But again, we're in the mindset of a scalp, and you're scalping right at a figure, so it wasn't too crazy about it. Conversely, not going to risk a lot either, so that's why we took the trade. It worked out, but only to the tune of 4.8 pips. Second trade you see here, we get a signal to go long 138.89. Again, you're going to say to yourself, well, it's a scalp. The figure is 139 even. What's the odds it gets through it? Since it was through it a few hours early and pulled down. So again, we just looked for a quick pickup on it and picked up 7.9 pips, almost 8 pips on it. And you could see, so far it hasn't done a whole lot. If we didn't get out, we'd basically be even right now. So not complaining about it. So far, the figure has acted as a resistance on it. Who knows what it'll do later today or tonight, especially if news comes from Japan or the Eurozone. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If you're looking for signals, as soon as they come out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back next time we do a video, probably tomorrow or Thursday, depending on the action. Have a great rest of your day.